New construction in Deer Creek School District off 178th in Portland. This house might be one of the most affordable new construction homes in the area. Amenities will be here in phase 2, and that's going to include a resort-style pool with covered areas and lounge chairs, an outdoor recreation area, pickleball court, playground, and there's a pond with walking trails. There's a sprinkler system included. That was an HOA requirement in this community. You do have your garage door, LiftMaster installed, and then oversized attic stairs. You can see no radiant barrier decking in this house, and that's because it is fully foamed. So big upgrade here. It's definitely going to reduce your utility costs and keep the house more comfortable year-round. As far as storage goes, there is some decking up here now, but there's a big space where you can add decking for additional storage if needed. So walking into the house from the garage, you're going into your kitchen and dining area. As you can see, we've got something kind of different going on here. We are going to be putting a butcher block on top of this table that can be moved, and obviously this does come with the house. You could put it over in this corner, or you could even rotate it. This house does have a lot of storage, so you've got a reach-in pantry right here and a ton of cabinets in the kitchen. Of course, we do Frigidaire appliances. This is a gas cooktop and then microwave over the range. And then you've got your dishwasher here. A lot of builders cheap out on this. We do not put the cheapest dishwasher in our houses. There are lots of problems with those. Color fixtures throughout the house. Really, really nice kitchen faucet here. And then you can see your space for a refrigerator, and you've got your water hookup. That way you can make ice or dispense water. Under the sink here, I just wanted to show you that the plumbing lines do not come through the exterior wall. It is a standard for us in all of our houses to have plumbing come up through the foundation. That way you don't have to drip your faucets whenever there are freezing temperatures. Really good size living room here, and you've got your fan. As you can see, lots of lights in the kitchen. We made sure that this house was well lit. And then down the hallway, we're going to be going into bedroom number 1. The first thing that I'm going to be pointing out is you can see 2 switches here, and we do have a disc light installed, but it is standard for us to install a fan-rated box, and it's already wired for you to add a fan later if that's something important to you. You've got your closet over here with some hanging rods and shelves, and then the windows in all of our houses are going to be Energy Star certified, so not the cheapo builder grade windows, but they're low E, argon filled. They do tilt in for easy cleaning. Bathroom number 1 in the hallway. You've got some really good storage. There's an area under the sink, not a lot of plumbing lines or anything like that in the way. And then there are quartz countertops throughout the house. You've got a head knocker. We did tile to the ceiling with the Schluter waterproof system underneath, and the tubs are really good size. It's a little bit deeper than the older tubs, which is really nice. Bedroom number 2. As you can see, we're still under construction in this house, so we're waiting on items like carpet and some hardware that didn't get delivered, needs to be installed. It won't be long before we have our third-party inspector at the house to give us a list of items. We did a wood look tile in this house, so super durable. And then down here by the laundry room, you've got a really nice linen closet. These shelves go really far back, so if this was my house, I'd be storing my Costco or Sam's Club bulk, toilet paper, paper towels. Okay, now onto the laundry room. This is amazing. There is lower and upper cabinets. As you can see here, your washer would go on the left, dryer on the right. We have the dryer box already installed. That way your hose isn't kinked up. Hanging rods. It's just so nice to have an extra little space to fold clothes. It makes doing laundry a little bit easier. It was really important for us to pour a nice sized slab. That way people can really enjoy outdoor living and entertaining at this house. As you can see, there's plenty of room for your patio furniture, a grill, maybe a little hammock. Right here, you can see our hose bib, and we put those in T-walls. That way you don't have to cover those up during freezing temperatures instead of putting them on the corner of the house like most builders do. And then this is the primary bedroom. It's so hard to tell in the video, but it's a really good size. You can definitely fit a king-size bed with 2 really nice size nightstands in here. And then the bathroom in all of its glory and all of the extra storage, all the banks of drawers, the linen closet that was on the right, this cutie little light fixture with the rain glass, waiting on a mirror, obviously, and then walk-in shower, which is super, super nice. Again, tiled to the ceiling, a mosaic on the floor, and Kohler fixtures in here. I love those little corner shelves. That way you're not having to store shampoo and conditioner and things like that just on the floor. Okay, and then into the primary closet, you've got tons of options for storage in here, single and double hangs, lots of different shelves or shoe boxes, and then you'll also see your whole house water shut off in here. We did do a private water closet, so there's a door for some privacy. And yeah, just lots of storage in this primary bathroom. It's super nice. We always include a fan in the primary bedroom and in the living room. Those are easy things that you can add on later, but it's a way for us to pass some savings down to homeowners whenever we're hearing that affordability is an issue. Okay, and lastly, back out in the front, you can park your car on the right side, the left side, or in the garage. And as you can see, a really good sized front porch on this house.